Assalamu alaikum. In this lecture we will learn about overriding. Overriding is an object-oriented programming feature that enables a child class to provide different implementation for a method that is already defined and or implemented in its parent class or one of its parent classes. The overridden method in the child class should have the same name, signature, and parameters as the one in its parent class. So let's start. This is our class GameBox, and these are properties and the constructor and the destructor and the getting the properties and setters method, toString, description and sales. So this is the description method in our parent class, and this is our child class that we created in our previous lecture, GameBoxU. So let's create a function description just like we have in our parent class. So we will call this description like this: echo GameBox USB GameBox U. And when we run this, and here you can see that after reading the USB we have GameBox U, and then shutting down GameBox A100. If we want to execute the method of parent class, then we will do this: parent and then description. And here you can see that this is from child class and this is from parent class. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to check out more lessons like this, then please subscribe to the channel and like the video. And if you have any question, then leave it in comment section. See you in the next lecture. Take care. Bye bye.